Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, what is the number one passive income method online? I'll tell you. Let's dive in. No fluff here. It's print on demand. That's where you sell products that you've never touched or bought. Now, it seems a little bit weird because how do you sell a product when you don't own it? When you can't physically put it on your desk, you can't pick it up. Well, basically, you have no inventory, which means zero startup costs, and it is 100% the best way if you want to generate passive income online. However, it's not 100% passive because you do have to set things up, but the marketing can be very passive. So let me ask you a question. What do you think people buy all the time online? I'll give you a second. Gifts. It's gifts for other people. They buy them all the time. And when you combine gifts with print on demand, it works awesome. So what if you made some gifts and you sold them via print on demand? Things like coffee mugs or t-shirts or hoodies or necklaces or message cards or whatever it may be. There's a whole variety of different options that you have that you can create as a gift for somebody to buy for somebody else. So with gifts via print on demand, there's basically 5 steps to it. You got to do some research, create a design, launch it on a platform. There's several out there. Market it and then scale it. So once you do find something that's working really well, you want to make sure you scale it. The one question people get is like, gifts, what do you mean? Like gifts for who? Well, it could be something like to my wife, so a husband buys it. To my husband, so a wife buys it. To my daughter, to my son, to my girlfriend, to my boyfriend, and on and on and on, like to my granddaughter, to my grandson, to my grandpa, to my grandma. Any different kind of relationship, even engaged. So to my fiance or to my future wife or whatever it may be, you can create a gift. You can list it on a print on demand platform or your own store if you really wanted to online, if you wanted to take it to the next level. You could do that, or you could even go to Etsy and start listing these print on demand products. There's so many options out there, it's insane. And there's so many different ways to tackle this that it's just nuts out too. So if you went to Etsy right now and typed in to my wife, you're going to find a whole bunch of examples of print on demand products that people are selling like today. So does it work? It 100% works. Okay. If you want to learn more, go to my site. It's ppc-coach.com. I am a 7-figure seller, meaning I've sold over $1 million in print on demand products. It's actually getting close to 1.5 now, million. So it's basically offering people gifts that they can sell via print on demand. That's what I do. So it works just so well. Think of birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Those are all the big holidays that come out throughout the year, but there's more to that too. You can do this stuff year round. It doesn't matter. If you're confused, if you're wondering like, how do I get involved with this? Well, maybe I can help you. Maybe I can help you sell some print on demand products profitably. It's kind of what I do. I live in two worlds. I help people learn to do it profitably and I also do it myself. So I actually walk the walk. No, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn a little bit more. Also, have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. I think print on demand is absolutely the best passive income source out there. The only other one I can think of is buying like stocks that have paid dividends or some kind of annuity or something like that. But other than that, I think print on demand is it's a very good way. It's provided a great living for me, provided for my family for years, and will continue to because what do people do? They buy gifts and they buy them all the time. And just because they bought one last month, it doesn't mean they're not going to buy one next month, right? All these different reasons for people to give gifts and buy gifts, they come up throughout the year. So it is a great business model. It is a little bit complicated to get into, especially if you go to YouTube and start typing up print on demand, how to, and all that. You get a million different guys with a million different opinions. Some of them know what they're talking about, some of them have no idea. Don't fall for it. Don't do drop shipping. Don't do Amazon. Don't do some of those other crazy ways out there. Stick with print on demand. And if you need some help, I'd love to help you. So have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.